Alright guys, so I got an unboxing today. Got a pair of headphones and a new computer that I ordered from the education website on apple.com. When you buy a laptop or Mac, you get a free pair of headphones. Excuse the little Wolverine cut here. I got damaged by a generator. So I'm going to open the headphones first and do the laptop last. So I'll be right back. All right, so I'm recording this all off my iPhone X. So the quality might be a little iffy or not, but let's go. Trying to do this. All right. Trusty unboxing knife. Can't really do this one-handed, but we'll try. So I ordered the Beats Solos in the black matte. I already have a pair of Beats X. Those I like, the ones that fit in your ear like buds. That's actually my second pair because I lost the first one. But this one be a nice addition. I don't really wear over the ear headphones unless it's studio monitors, like my Audio Technica M40X, I believe. I'll open that later. So let's get to the unboxing. So it's a little tab right here. There, put that down there. And this way. Man, one-handed everything is horrible. All right, put that down there. Let's see if there's any. Nope, nothing. So what I got was the 13-inch MacBook Pro with the touch bar and Touch ID. The specs for it are, they're not on here, but I basically got the, I don't know. Oh, here it is. 13-inch MacBook Pro with the 2.3 gigahertz. 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigabyte of storage. Got it in the, I believe this is the space gray. Without further ado, let me just get to the unboxing. All right. So get the trusty knife. I am not good with knives, guys. I don't know, but let's go. This is my first MacBook, but I've used Apple Macs back in high school. I went to a film school and they had like a lot of iMacs there, so I'm familiar with the ecosystem. I have iPads, iPods, iPhones, so you know it'll be real nice. So let's take the top off. The Holy Grail. All right, so put this tab out. Put this to the side. In here is the USB-C charger. I thought about getting the janky MagSafe, but if this is new for the Apple, it's gonna be new for the rest of the world eventually. Because Macs and Apple's always very innovative. So put that to the side. Here's the fun literature packs. Um, yeah, and then here's the power block. On their website, I've seen some reviews for this power block that it does not hold into the wall really good. So eventually, I'll go and I'll replace it with the cord, just to give me an extra length or stuff like that. Not much in here. So back to this. There. So, what's in here? Man, doing things one-handed is a task. So, here's the quick start guide that lets you know how to operate your Mac. Some warranty literature and the Holy Grail Apple stickers. With the new iMac, the black one, I know they come with the black stickers, which I need to get my hands on ASAP. Now off with that, and this, and that, let's get to what we came here for. So, I believe you do it is, this tab comes off. Oh man, it smells like factory crack. That's what I call it. Anything that comes for the factory and has that smell is factory crack. All right, put that to the side there. Boom, and then here we go, guys. Get this little thing out the way. Oh, and then it starts. Then you have to touch it. Blah. All right, so I'm gonna wait for it to boot up, and then we'll go through the setting up process.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. All right. So here's the first setup. So actually, what language you want? We're in English. So hit next. Okay. Definitely we're in the United States, so don't even worry about that. My keyboard is definitely US. Let's see. Connected to my Wi-Fi. Hold on. All right. So after it chooses the network, hit yes. Continue. I do have a Windows computer. I don't want to transfer none of that stuff that's all there to here. I kind of want to start fresh, so do not transfer any information now. And then I'm going to sign in with my Apple ID, and I'll be right back. All right, terms and conditions. I agree, even though I don't read it. Bad, Andre. So go through this process, and let me fill this out really quick. All right, so had some issues with iCloud, but we got it fixed. So let's power up for the first time. Cool. Can I put my finger? Nope. So I got to put my password. So let me put this in, and I'll be right back. All right. So we're in. Are we in? Oh, it's doing a little boot logo. All right, so now we are in. See what this Mac's running. Hi Sierra. I know that Mojave's out, so I'm gonna get that updated. But I have the MacBook Pro 13-inch. We're in the late 2018 with the 4 Thunderbolt displays. I don't know if you can see weird. 2.3 gigahertz Intel Core 5, 16 gigabytes of memory. The Intel Iris Plus Graphics 655 graphics card. I got blurred out that little blase. But everything seems to be good. Now we're gonna do the unboxing of the headphones. Alright, so while the MacBook is updating, doing its thing, I'm going to unbox the Beats Solo Wireless 3. Like I said earlier, I have a pair of the Beats X, which I really like. The battery lasts me all day, practically all day. And then putting it on the charger, I put mine on the charger for about less than 20 minutes, and I say it's up to about 50%. I know the specs say different, but man, I don't know. That thing's whiz. I like it. All right, so here's the Beats Solo 3's wireless. So let's try. Man, one-handed things. There we go. Oops. All right, nice box with the logo like the Beats. Do the little wiggle. There we go. Change the way you hear sound. I like that little aesthetic. Then you lift the button there, and here's the case for the headphones. Put that to the side, and then right here up under this flap, here is our literature and our cables. So right here is the Beats. I'll put that to the side. Here is the cable. If we don't want to do wireless, we can hook it up, and it has the jack for the your iPhone. Well, I have iPhone X, so I have to have the adapter, but that's fine. Here's the charging cable. I believe it's micro USB. My Beats X are they're the lightning cable, but it's fine. I really don't care as long as they charge. And here's the little clip for if you want to attach the headphone case to your backpack or to anything. Mainly, I'm not going to be using these unless I'm doing like video edits, or you know, doing some music or stuff like that. So they won't be carrying with me. So let me clear all this off the table and show you the headphones. All right. So here are the Beats. Let's try to do this one-handed again. Oh man, I cannot wait until my tripod and all my mic accessories for my phone comes in. I'll do unboxing for that. That'll be for the vlogs and, you know, just some basic camera things. And that should be here by Friday. All right, so here are the Beats Solos. Pretty nice. I got the matte black. I didn't want the gloss because the gloss showed too much scratches. At the top here, you can see it has Beats on it. And then on the side here, it has wireless. And this is where you can accept calls, play, pause, volume up and down. And then on the other side, this is where you charge and turn on the headphones. Like I said, I won't be using these like going out. I mainly would be using these for doing some edits on the MacBook, or you know, just doing some sampling, things like that. So that's it for the unboxing. When my microphone, my case, and everything for my phone setup for my vlogging comes in, I'll do that video as well. But until then, signing out.